Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Godaddy account. Whether you're managing a domain, creating a new website, or exploring various services offered by Godaddy, you'll need to start by accessing your account. So, let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser. It's best to use the latest version of Chrome, Firefox, or Safari for an optimal experience. In the address bar at the top of the browser window, type in www.godaddy.com and press enter. This will take you to Godaddy's homepage, which is the gateway to all the features and services they offer. Once you've arrived on the homepage, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a Sign In button. Click on it. This action will bring up a drop-down menu. Don't worry if you see a few different options here. Simply select the one that says Sign In under the Account section to proceed to the login page. Now, you should see a screen prompting you to enter your login credentials. In the first field, go ahead and type your username or customer number. Remember, these details are what you used when you initially created your account. If you've forgotten your username, Godaddy provides an option labeled Need Help Logging In, located just below the fields where you enter your credentials. By clicking this link, you'll find guidance on recovering your username. After entering your username, move down to the next field for your password. Carefully input your password here, ensuring accuracy, as passwords are case-sensitive. Again, if you've misplaced your password, use the Forgot Password link to initiate a reset process. Just keep in mind that you'll need access to the email account associated with your Godaddy account to receive the reset instructions. With both your username and password filled out correctly, it's time to hit the Sign In button. When you click this, Godaddy will verify the information you've entered. If everything is correct, you'll be directed straight to your account dashboard. This is where you can manage all activities related to your domains, websites, or any services you have with Godaddy. Should you encounter any issues during the sign-in process, double-check your internet connection first. A stable connection is crucial for successful login attempts. It's also a good idea to ensure that your caps lock key is not active when entering your password, as this can lead to errors. By following these instructions, you should now be successfully logged into your Godaddy account, ready to explore and make any needed changes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more helpful tutorials.